Hey there, future investors! Welcome to my easy guide on stock market basics for beginners. If you've ever wondered what the stock market is all about, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is a stock? A stock represents a small piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're basically buying a tiny part of that company. Think of it like owning a slice of a delicious pizza. The more slices you have, the bigger your share of the pizza. Now, companies issue stocks to raise money. They use this money to grow their business, launch new products, or pay off debt. When you invest in a company's stock, you believe that the company will do well and your slice of the pizza will grow in value. Simple, right? Let's talk about the stock market itself. The stock market is where these slices of pizza are bought and sold. It's like a giant auction house. There are two main stock exchanges in the US, the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, and the NASDAQ. These are the places where most of the trading happens. Alright, so how do you make money in the stock market? There are two main ways. First, through capital gains. This means buying a stock at a low price and selling it at a higher price. Think of it like buying a vintage car, fixing it up, and selling it for a profit. The second way is through dividends. Some companies share a part of their profits with shareholders. This is like getting a reward just for holding onto your stock. But wait, before you rush off to buy some stocks, let's talk about risk. Investing in stocks can be risky because their prices can go up and down. Sometimes the company might not do as well as you hoped. That's why it's important to diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it out across different companies and sectors. This way, you'll lower your risk. Another important tip, do your research. Look into the company's financial health, its competitors, and the industry it's in. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And remember, patience is key. The stock market is more like a marathon than a sprint. Long-term investments usually yield better returns. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide to the stock market for beginners. Remember, start small, do your research, and diversify. With time and patience, you'll be well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy investing!